dito sa kahoy. Kahoy. So hello guys. So we are going there. We are going there. That kind of forest thing, you know?
Okay.
Something like that. We're going there.
Oh.
Oops. Guys, be careful because there's
There's
a
not
lot of stones out there.
not
There's a lot
stone,
of
is
stones
rock.
beneath the
Big,
water.
it's big stone. Be careful, please. Slow.
Guys, be careful when you go here and you will go somewhere here. There's a lot of stones. If you will go under the sea, there's a lot of stones. So be careful.
Wala batuhan dira?
Yeah, there's no stones out there.
Okay, sige. Continue.
But guys, this is my advice to all of you. If you will go here, you will remove your pants. I suggest you to remove your slippers or sandals.
Okay.
Because the sand is here is so sticky, and you know, your slippers will be put in.
Deeper.
Basta malunod din mo chinilas basta put. Guys, come on.
Is there fish or not? Please wait me. Ay, saglang kuya.
No, we're not swimming. I didn't know how to swim. I was just going there because there's no heat of sunlight up there. Okay, guys, dili ko maitom. Come on, let's go there.
Namabaw man siya.
Yeah. As you can see, the water is ayun na, ning mabaw siya, ning mabaw.
Kuan man kun mura man may mga bangin dito sa ilalo.
And the sun beneath under the sea is not level, you know.
Okay.
You know, something.
Copy.
Basta ay kapuya pag
Is there sea snake or
No, there's no sea snake over here.
okay. Let's continue.
So at last, guys, we are here now at our destination.
Just
We are here now at our
just waiting for me.
Oh, be careful, cameraman, be careful.
Ay something
There's
step.
something beneath the sea. You know, be careful.
Okay, now let's go on. Okay.
Oh my.
Dito sa pika sagi. Masisa. Dito agi.
Guys, be careful here because there's a lot of trees na wala ni tubo.
This like something spike or
I'm in the middle of that kind of thing.
atras tabi kay murag di man ni masakitan ta mo disgrasya ta dito daghang siya kuan.
Oh, pag gini po.
Dili tawo dili. Pero daghang kay
Guys, we
tunog-tunog.
will go something over there because there's no heat over there.
Ay ba something
Come on guys, come on. Hey, maula na kami.
just wait. I'm coming.
Kung naiisip ko at di na mawala pa, kahit na alam ko na ang puso ko ay puso ay may mahal ng iba. Sana'y yan mo. Ibigin kita. Maghihintay pa rin. At aasa. Teka, very much for watching.
Okay, okay, okay. Na.
Alay, di ko yung magkanta-kanta tayo. Ito kanta mo na ako, no, guitar board.
Ngayon lang. Lahi na pod.